Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. Honestly speaking, nothing is left for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to catch from here and there. We're talking about unity. We're talking about one of the most important things. I believe, as you believe, that unity is a core principle of the universe. I believe that, as the Quran states in a number of places, that humankind was one nation. And I will try to repeat the same message that I gave before in the unity rally for our Jewish brothers and sisters. I said humankind was one nation. Was one nation. And then this unity was broken by various of differences which the human beings created among themselves. When this happened, Almighty God sent his prophets and messengers to restore back the unity which once existed in the earliest period of human history. It is possible, it is very possible to have unity with diversity. When unity becomes not possible, unity is not possible when the color of someone's skin causes you to see them as less than human. Unity is not possible when you make a person's faith tradition synonymous with terrorism. Unity is not possible when you justify or ignore violence toward another because of their gender, because of their orientation, because of their religion. Unity, the respected brothers and sisters, cannot grow until equality is firmly planted. Unity cannot grow until you treat people in the same way that you wish to be treated by them. Then unity is an attainable goal. No home can be strong, happy, and peaceful without unity. What will happen if everybody goes in his own way? Then the family will break into pieces. A divided home cannot face an enemy. Same way society too cannot do without unity. We need one another. And the best example that I can give today is that we are, all of us, Muslims, Jews and Christians, Latinos, Spanish, Hindus, every single body in this field, we are like the different systems in the human body. You see them, how they unite to make a complete human being. Also the same way that if the Jews are in pain, Muslims are in pain. If the Christians are in pain, Muslims are in pain. There is only one race. There is only one race. It is the human race. And all of us are created equal in the sight of God. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. Today we feel we are not alone. We are not alone. Together we can face any enemy because we all know that God did not create us for bigotry, did not create us for hate. We must know each other. We must love and respect one another. This is what we need. The entire world is in desperate need of this beautiful word that we recite each and every day, which is peace. May peace be upon you all. Thank you very much.